Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, check it out. The commission's with me today. I don't have to do this by myself. And we have some great news. Some of you already heard about this, but we've been looking for those percents in ST Math. We found them last week.
They have done so great. Mrs. Wright found them.
And it turns out
Mrs. Wright.
they've passed a lot of ST Math. I'm looking at the list over there, and there is like a ton of ST Math you guys have passed. So let's go ahead and start with the Pledge of Allegiance, and then we'll talk about the GG tags. All right, please stand at attention. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can have a seat. Now, I was thinking about this because Mrs. Fogel is ready to pass out some tags today, but some of you that are watching this don't even know what the GG tags are all about. So if you've been playing ST Math, it's broken into 100 tiny little chunks, and each chunk is 1%. And we give out a little prize every time you get 20%. So when you get to 20%, you get a GG tag, 40%, 60%, 80%, and then 100% is the ultimate champion, because 100 means you did all the parts and you passed every single thing in your grade level. And there's some people that have done some amazing work already. What else do they need to know about the GG tags?
They can put them on their backpack, and they have little rings so they can keep collecting them on their backpack. If you've never been here, you can notice that they're on some people's backpacks.
Yeah.
From last year.
You're going to tell who got the GG tags today because it's Wildcat
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday, of course I am. Yeah.
Where do they get their GG tags?
Oh, so your teachers already have your GG tags. So once I announce them, when they're ready, they will give you the GG tags and also your little silver link to go with it.
You get like a little ring like that's on my keys, and then it can hold your tags.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's hear it.
Okay. I'm so excited. Can I get a little whoop whoop? Okay. I'm going to start with 20%, and you will not believe the amount of kids that did it. So amazing. In kindergarten, Josh, Cade, Kason, Mally, Maddie, Katie, Cassidy, Will, Mariah, Aaron, Eliana, Nora, Lily, Haiti, Carlos, Delilah, Walter, Harrison, Riley, and Harper. Are you kidding me? Kindergarten.
That's
okay.
Amazing kindergarten.
First grade, so many. I just can't even believe how many you're doing. Gigi is so proud of you. Cameron, Denver, Colton, Drew, Presley, Everly, Ben, Scarlett, Kane, Fisher, Maeve, Bentley, Zach, Danny, Kaden, Kylie, Charlotte, Lily, Dylan, and Audrey. Such a good job, first grade. Second grade, Sienna, Hudson, Anthony, Eli, Owen, McKenna, and Sophie, Owen, and Delilah. Yay, second grade. Okay, now third grade, the 20% is for Everett. Okay, great job, Everett. Now, I'm not even done. Some kids have already gotten 40%. You won't believe it. In kindergarten, Nora, Lily, Walter, and Harrison, 40%. In second grade, Eli, Delilah, Owen, and in first grade, Drew, Maeve, Bentley, Danny, Dylan, and Audrey. This is amazing. Okay.
Is that it?
You would think that's it, because there's no way someone could have done 60% by this time.
We're not even 50% of the way through the school year.
I know. No, Miss Wright, you would be shocked, because in second and first grade, there's 60% kids.
That's amazing.
So amazing. First grade, announcing Mr. Danny, 60%. Second grade, the one and only Owen. What? So anyone who passes after that, I'll keep calling you every Wednesday like we used to do. And I'm very proud of you. And Gigi is freaking out right now. He's doing flips in the class. I mean, so excited.
Nice.
Yeah.
You should bring Gigi sometime.
Yeah, I'm going to bring him sometime.
Yeah.
He was shy today. He just felt.
He's not used to being on camera.
Yeah.
That's okay. We'll get him used to it.
Yeah.
All right. Have a good day, Chief. I can't wait to see those Gigi tags.
Bye.